Good morning, everyone. This is Zach Harris from Strategic Asset Management in Dublin. Hope you've had a great weekend. And we're just going to analyze the market today. First of all, let me tell you what time it is. It's actually quarter past 11, nearly quarter past 11. Today is 17th of June, which is Wednesday today. Guys, we're going to analyze the markets today. As you guys seen my trading activities last week, we had a spectacular week. We have made some profit on FTSE, some profit on Euro against AUD, Australian dollar. We've also made a good bit of profit on a German market to go up. Yes, we have captured roughly about 200 points. At one stage, we were up in around 450 points, but market starts to drop. Thankfully, that I always, once I get into the profitable trade, I always enter my risk management feature in my profit area, which means my stop loss control was in my profit area, and I ended up capturing roughly about 200 points. So I was pretty happy, pretty pleased from last week. Now we're gonna analyze the markets, where we see the markets are going, and what kind of trades we have on at the moment. Let's me open my trading account. There's me account, guys. I've placed a very two small trades, very small trades, because I'm a little bit cautious this week, especially because of the Greece concerns. Because tomorrow they will have some sort of agreement in place in between Greece and IMF and ECB, and I don't know really how the markets are gonna go tomorrow. Anything could happen, but at the same time, I can see the reversal trend. I can see that the markets could go up after tomorrow. So these are the trades that I might let it run for next maybe week or two, and see how they plan out. If they do take a turn against us, unfortunately, either I will have to take a hit or hedge my trades. You know. Okay, guys. So first of all, we have two trades on at the moment. First one is on German market DAX 30, and we place a small trade on only £10 per point to go up. At the moment, we're up in around £923. Not a lot, but 90 points at the moment, and I'm hoping to capture roughly in between 450 500 points from that minimum. Okay, and then after that we'll see how the trade goes. But obviously, this is not, again, let me repeat myself, this is not kind of trade that I have it on only for a day or two. I might let it run for maybe a week to 10 days, depending how the market goes, okay, where I see the exit strategy. Now we have another trade on FTSE 100 to go up again, £10 at the price of 6681. At the moment they're trading at 6685, so we're up only a few points, no big deal. It's only 37 quid, and we're up in around 95 points on German markets. Where I see the markets going, guys, I'm gonna show you the FTSE chart here. There's our FTSE chart. I'm gonna change the time frame to daily, to 1 day. Okay, I'm gonna make it slightly smaller, maybe 3 months. There you go, guys. As you can see, for the last 3 months it was sort of ranging in between that point from 7,100 to 6,900, in between them 200 points, up and down, and the markets were getting pretty boring. But all of a sudden we had a reversal trend on 29th of May 2015, and since then the reversal trend hasn't actually stopped. At the moment they're trading at 6686, and it is pretty scary. Like, it's the trend that appeared in around 7,050, 7,060. It's few hundred points in the matter of, it appeared on 29th of May, which is about 3 weeks now. In 3 weeks you're talking about roughly about, if you enter that trade and capture all that downward trend momentum, you're talking about roughly about 25-30% profit minimum. So which was not a bad trade really. If you done that, we got a good bit of profit in the last couple of weeks on FTSE and on German as well. Now at the moment they're trading at 6698. Okay, obviously they slightly gone up. And what I see here is, if you look at it, I'm gonna change it to, let's say, 6 months, so we can see the clear picture. It is totally maxed out at the moment. Yesterday is slightly a bad day, negative day for FTSE. Even looking at the yesterday's bar, this was yesterday's bar. As you can see, the open was 6720. Highest it went to 6729. Earlier on yesterday, a market dropped to 6656, but all the losses were actually wiped off towards the end of the day yesterday, because the buyers jumped in, they pushed the sellers out, and I got the indication that the FTSE would actually go up today, and that would be a reversal trend. But obviously, because of the Greece concerns, they still plays the part big time in the markets, and that's why it actually dropped today. So I'm still in a profitable trade, but I'm obviously not very happy, because I want these markets to go up. But look, we see how this game plays out by tomorrow, day after tomorrow. But as I said, these trades are for next couple of weeks, not for a day or two. I'm hoping to capture roughly about 200, 250 points from FTSE, 500 point from German markets, and I can show you that these two trades, if they go according to our plan, we could end up making 30-35% and 40% even in the next couple of weeks, well, fingers crossed it will work out for us, guys. This is the FTSE 100. German is pretty much exactly the same thing happened to German as well yesterday. German markets actually he dropped, then they came back, and they're still sort of consolidating today. They're nothing much is happening. So look, guys, last 2 weeks were brilliant. This week has been a little bit slow because of the Greece concerns, but I know end of the day I think that these trades will work out. If not, obviously we have a success ratio of 70%. 7 out of 10 times we actually make money. 3 out of 10 times, and we obviously occur some losses as well. But guys, thanks for watching this clip, and this is my predictions that in the next couple of weeks the markets will go up. Today and tomorrow can be a consolidating day. Tomorrow could be a seriously negative day. Yes, the markets could easily drop maybe 100 to 120 points tomorrow. 120 points tomorrow. Thanks for watching this clip, guys. This is Zach Harris here. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also you could actually follow me on the LinkedIn, Zach Harris from Strategic Asset Management in Dublin. Thanks very much, guys, and have a great day. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.